Namaskar. Welcome to Plastics Viable Project. Here today we will discuss plastic molding business for manufacturing car components. Today's item number is 3 and the product is ORVM Housing outside rear view mirrors. Let's dive in and understand the project in detail. This is what the ORVM looks like in today's cars. This is just an example. There are numerous such designs which are being used on different make and models. This is a disclaimer. Now, do you know which plastic part sticks out on every car, yet carries style and safety? That's ORVM housing. Made by injection molding process, and the material used is ABS or PP, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene or polypropylene. 2 pieces are used per car. Annual demand is 80 lakhs to 90 lakhs pieces. There are coatings for styling on this. Electronics integration is also there for fitting indicators onto the device, and there are motors and sensors for control from inside the car without opening the doors of the car. ORVMs are basically Tier 1 dominated because electronics integration and safety regulation are of paramount importance. Tier 1 vendors, they are basically long-term vendors of automotive OEMs, and they are operational at multiple locations, supplying in volumes different types of components to these automotive OEMs. Now, it may not be possible for them to supply all the volume and types at different places manufactured in-house. So they also outsource. They develop their own sub-vendors, and under close monitoring, they allow their sub-vendors to produce components as per the requirement of them as well as the OEM in turn. So it is better to get in touch with this kind of Tier 1 vendors to find out any business opportunity lying with them, and then get into the business under their guidance, under their support, and get a pulse of the business, understand the business, understand everything about this business, and gradually you can scale up and go for diversification, go for expansion. Challenges is the product has to be made very durable, very precise as far as fitment is concerned, and advanced coating material handling capabilities. Opportunities are very big because electronic applications and electric vehicles and premium cars are today getting sold in multiple numbers, and the numbers are growing every day. So mirrors are becoming smart gadgets today. It is not a mirror today. It serves various purposes apart from the basic need. So the style to safety to sensors, ORVMs prove their worthiness, their use, their applications, their utility, everything. So plastics equals to style plus safety plus big business in cars. If you have liked this video, you have come this far to watch this, then kindly let us know your view in the comment section. And if you need any further details on this, kindly write to us at this email address given, and we'll be very happy and glad to get back to you. We provide hand-holding service to plastic industry from idea till implementation and covering holistic everything we cover, and we try to support in all respect to set up a plastic molding manufacturing business. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind. We'll see you again in our next video.